Mastering the phrase, nailing it, in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a popular English phrase that you've probably heard quite a bit, nailing it. This expression is not only common but also paints a vivid picture when used correctly. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it to enhance your English communication. Nailing it refers to performing a task with excellence or precision. Imagine a nail being hit perfectly on the head with a hammer. It's done in one clean, perfect strike. That's the imagery this phrase evokes. When someone says you're nailing it, they're giving you a thumbs up for doing a great job. The phrase, nailing it, has its roots in manual labor, where precision and skill are crucial. It's a metaphor that has made its way into everyday language, signifying success and accomplishment in any field, be it cooking, sports, or even language learning. Let's see nailing it in action. If a friend delivers a fantastic presentation, you could say, "You're really nailing it with your public speaking skills." Or, after a great performance in a game, a coach might say to the team, "You guys nailed it out there today." This versatile phrase can be used in a casual setting among friends or a professional environment to acknowledge someone's hard work or talent. It's all about the context and the tone of voice. And that's a wrap on nailing it. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the colorful expressions that make it vibrant and fun. I hope you're now confident in using nailing it in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be nailing your English learning journey.